Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to connect to Xfinity Wi-Fi on a Windows 11 laptop, step-by-step setup guide. Step 1. Open Network Settings. Click on the network sound or battery icons grouped in the far right of your Windows 11 taskbar to open Quick Settings. Alternatively, press Windows key plus I to open the main settings app and in it navigate to network and internet. Step 2. Select Wi-Fi. Ensure your Wi-Fi is toggled on and select Manage Wi-Fi connections indicated by the arrow next to the Wi-Fi symbol. Step 3. Find the hotspot. From the list of in-range networks, choose Xfinity Wi-Fi and click Connect. Step 4. Sign in. Once your laptop connects, a web browser window should automatically open to the Xfinity sign-in page. And if it does not appear, open your preferred browser like Microsoft Edge and navigate to any web page, example xfinity.com, to be redirected to the login portal. Step 5. Enter credentials. Enter your Xfinity ID and password, then click Sign In. Once authenticated, you will be redirected to the welcome page and can browse the internet. Now, for managing your hotspot settings, step 1 is the automatic connection. After a successful manual login, your laptop will automatically join the Xfinity Wi-Fi network whenever it is in range. Step 2 is to auto-connect the profile. You can streamline this process by using the Xfinity app on your mobile device to enable auto connection. Step 3 is troubleshooting. If you are having trouble locating hotspots while out and about, utilize the official Xfinity Hotspot Finder to locate a broadcasting network near you. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.